Good afternoon, this is Todd Colvin coming to you from the floor of the CME Group. We are looking at metals, and gold prices continue their week-over-week decline. It's been a long time since we've seen any kind of sustained uptick in gold. Gold has really traded straight down. When we last traded 1,300, it's been pretty much a straight shoot down to this week's low, just below 1,240. And the market right now still hasn't found its sea legs. We did see a modest uptick today, but it didn't really seem like the market has found a way to turn the ship around, so to speak. And technically, it's still very much in a bear trend. And really, the only thing that can save gold at this point is the dollar. The dollar, which has been on a tear since mid-April, has seen modest declines, and we saw that continue this week. So the dollar saw its lowest level since mid-June, amid all kinds of uncertainty. How are trade wars and tariffs going to affect dollar pricing? Well, today it really didn't have much of an effect, despite the fact that we had some decent news this week and a mixed jobs report this morning. And it seems to me like the dollar right now is also trying to find its legs after seeing such a tear. Yeah, there is maybe some modest profit taking, but when you start to see things build a trend, it now may be starting to see things turn a little bit, and that dollar strength may be sort of not finding its way, and the emerging market and currencies and other currencies around the globe may be starting to find more buyers. And that's really what we're seeing here, is a turning of the dollar and gold hitting a low below 1,240 and then slowly bouncing off it. This could be a turning point for gold. I'm not going to say it is a turning point, but it could be. And really the only way we're going to get confirmation on whether this is a turning point in gold are those spec longs, and are they going to get back in? When we last marked positioning for the speculators, they were at their lowest longs of the year. So right now we could start to see them turn around. If they were buying that dip when we got to 1,240, things could start to maybe build a sustained trade and stop declining. But obviously it's going to take, they're the ones that are going, that's the group that's going to have to step in if we're going to see gold prices turn around. Yes, the dollar will help gold pricing go back up, but to see a sustained trade and maybe even a reversal of this bear trend, those speculators are going to have to get back in. They're going to have to get back in with both feet, something we haven't seen in several weeks. So right now, gold prices continuing to trend lower, albeit with the dollar slightly weaker this week. But right now, it's all going to come down to will those speculators get back in to give the market some support. This is Todd Colvin coming to you from the floor of the CME Group.